Lemon spaghetti? Creamy lemon bucatini. This pasta is all about the lemon. And we're going to need some lemon for garnish later. We'll get back to that. These delicate segments are going to provide for cool garnish later. Traditionally, spaghetti and lemon, but we're using bucatini, spaghetti with a hole in it, dropped in boiling water with plenty of salt. As Italians would say, flavored like the sea. Traditionally, this isn't sauce per se. This is lemon juice and pasta water. And finish the bucatini in that. The starch in the pasta water helps make the sauce. And here's where we go off the rails. Cream cheese, or as they call it in Italy, Philadelphia. The low-fat version is most like the one you're going to find in Italy too. Take that off heat right away. You're done. And as you mix that Philadelphia is going to melt. Like carbonara, that creamy sauce needs bucatini. Only bucatini can pick up the sauce that way. See? Don't waste that lemon zest. Lemon pasta always needs Parmigiano Reggiano. And some of that lemon caviar garnish.
It's fucking light. Lemon. And the cheese. With the parm and the creamy.
Lemony creamy.
And the bucatini. It's like pasta candy.
Yep.
What a summer dish that is. That lemon flavor, though, there's just no around. It's just lemon. It's just so good.
I love traditional, but creamy bucatini is my new favorite.